So this doesn't quite follow the normal convention of a car, but it is the same principle at work. Essentially, we're going through our end range of motion or our fullest range of motion with the joints that are working. Now, as you can see, I'm a little bit stiff here trying to get down. Normally, I'll be able to touch my toes quite easily, but it takes a couple moves and rounds of movement to be able to get into our ideal position. So I'm just starting at the top as tall as I can, tucking the chin from the neck, and then gradually peeling down through the whole spine, drawing my midsection in through the belly button, starting to squeeze my quads as my legs go straight here, as I'm bending down all the way, really tensing up nice and hard as I try to fold myself in half. And then I come back up into a tall standing position, straighten back that neck and extend out. So you're aiming for a max extension as well as a max flexion through the spine. Imagining each individual segment of the spine to move through its fullest range of motion. It really helps if you can contract the quads and squeeze the abs nice and tight as you go down. Now, this drill is absolutely fantastic for mobilizing the spine and creating some mobility in the hamstrings. And it's one of the absolute best that we can do to keep ourselves from twinging the low back and just keep some movement in the spine so that we don't come under threat when we get into awkward positions throughout the day. We're going to do 4 reps of those.